Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Jim De Waele and I'm the President of our Europe division. This week, across Europe, we are dedicating some time to thinking about safety. As you know, Keller is diverse and tackles a wide range of projects, varying in size from just a couple of days involving 2 or 3 employees to mega projects spanning several years involving hundreds of people in their delivery. In fact, I think it's the ability of the organisation to manage these differences that makes Keller so special. However, there is one area above all others where there shouldn't be any differences, and that is in our safety culture. So what do I mean by that? Well, safety culture is defined by the values and priorities that are placed on safety across all levels of the organisation. It can be seen in the way that our managers, our supervisors, and our workforce behave each and every day. In other words, our safety culture is defined by our collective attitude towards safety. Now, Keller does have a good safety culture, and we continue to improve. But it must be said that in recent years, the rate of improvement has actually flattened off, and that makes getting to the next level all that more difficult. In order to do that, we all need to take a lead on safety. And by that I mean that if you should see a situation that is unsafe or you feel unsafe at work, please stop and speak up. If you see a colleague taking unnecessary risks, again, stop the work and speak up. And if someone approaches you to talk about safety, don't act in a negative way. Let them speak up and tell you about their concerns. Please continue to play your part. All of us should feel comfortable to stop work and speak up if things are or in fact feel unsafe. I would say actually it's our responsibility to do so. And do bear in mind that your actions really set the tone for everyone around you. We have a saying, when it comes to safety, everyone is a leader. Like I said, Keller does have a good safety culture. But please take the opportunity this week to stop and think about the things that you can improve to help us get even better. Please speak up. Finally, for everything that you have done and for everything that you continue to do to keep yourself and your colleagues safe, thank you.